Your Weather Authority forecast from Bruce Katz.
All right, the weekend's just around the corner. This morning we started out with sunshine by midday, kind of hazy sun, and this evening now the clouds are thickening up and the rain is really not that far away. As we look back toward downtown as well, clouds thicken up, and once again that does spell rain in the forecast as we get into the weekend. So here are the weather headlines. As clouds do begin to increase, rain chances will be developing later tonight through Sunday into Monday. So the wetter weekend will bring the wettest day on Sunday, so it looks like this weekend we'll need the rain gear, but especially on Sunday into early Monday. Now let's take a look at the culprit. You'll notice here, big spin in the atmosphere. This feature is going to start lifting down to the south, and as it does, it's going to bring a lot of winds and a lot of moisture in from the southwest. So that upper low out west is going to kind of stall out, kind of a cutoff low, and that's going to be the feed of all this moisture, and then eventually developing a low into central Texas by late Saturday night, Sunday, finally moving eastward with a front on Monday. Here's a look now at the satellite and the radar composite. You'll notice, boy, it is really starting to get thick in the Gulf of Mexico, as far south now as Corpus, as far north as Lubbock, and all that activity is moving our way. Now, this area here near Homa, right into Lafourche and Terrebonne, probably not hitting the ground as of yet because we had a lot of dry air. However, we're starting to see a lot of moisture developing and moving in. As a result, as the evening goes on, we will see a few widely scattered showers this evening. Not expecting a washout, but if you are out and about, don't be surprised if you have to put on the intermittent wipers, because some of the showers will be on the increase. Viper radar as well. Viper's been on vacation a while, but now kind of wake them up, and you can see from Lafayette down to Morgan City. Here's some of that light rain trying to move in from the south and west, and the forecast model over the next couple of days will show the low moving in and the front. So right now, verifying pretty well most of the rain to the west of us, but as we go into motion later this evening, scattered showers at 20 to 30%. Then as we go in time, coming into midday on Saturday, a few scattered showers. Tomorrow, I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. Maybe a 30 to 40% chance of a widely scattered shower. Most of the rain staying northwest of us, but then it all changes on Sunday morning. The front begins to work farther north. The rainfall develops. Some of this could be on the heavy side. So Sunday right now for the Saints game and tailgating looks to be on the wet side on and off. So keep the umbrellas nearby for that. And then we get the final front moving in on Monday with this feature. On Monday, we have a slight risk of severe weather. So we're going to be watching over the weekend, part of southeast Louisiana under that slight risk, getting into Monday midday through the evening hours. How much rain can we get? Well, as we go through time, all the way through Saturday into Sunday, heaviest rain should be well north and west of us with that axis moving north. But around here, notice a couple of little bullseyes coming in up to maybe one as high as 4 inches. So it's not going to be a flood event, not going to be a severe weather event through Sunday, but on Monday, as we go further in time, that's the time period we're going to watch as that front moves in, depending on how much warm air moves in. As the front interacts, that could spark off some of those severe storms. So we will monitor it over the weekend. DeCondra Norwood, Shovel Latino will be in as well. They'll be looking at that too for you to let you know. Temperatures right now, we're cooling down thanks to the cloud cover. We are in the lower 60s, a pretty brisk wind out of the east at about 8 to 15. So that wind tonight with temperatures falling into the 50s, going to be kind of a cool and damp night. Upper 40s on the North Shore, not as cool as last night, 57 south, but cool enough for a jacket or sweater. For tomorrow, I'm going to go lots of clouds, a few passing showers, not an all-day rain, 30-40% coverage at 67. Here's the week ahead. Tomorrow, that 40%. Sunday, I'm going to go 100%. Now, remember, 100% does not mean it's going to rain all day long. 100% means that of the viewing area, 100% of the location at some point in time will get rain. 80% on Monday could see that severe weather. And then finally Tuesday, things begin to dry out. And I'll tell you what, if you want a blast of cold air, right now things are shaping up. Not so much in the next 5 to 6 days, but notice on Friday, Thursday night into Friday, front moves in, low 50s, and we could see some upper 20s coming in a week from now. So this is all kind of developing right now. We will watch it, but nevertheless, here are some of the showers that could move in. Crew of Jingle on Barone down to Canal, finishing up around Lee Circle. Should be a fun time. The Fox 8 weather staff will be here for you. Temperature-wise, 60s during the day, 20, 30, 40% chance of rain. And of course, the NOLAweekendforecast.com. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s with those spotty showers around. Small craft advisory in effect. Next couple of days, I would maybe stay put. 4 to 6 tomorrow, down to 3 to 4 on Sunday, and 2 to 4 on Monday. So there you have it. We are expecting, again, the possibility of rain this weekend. Crew of Jingle, I think right now looking pretty good. Maybe a spotty shower.